Is your company involved in the design or construction of projects similar to this? Behind the walls, the coordination of the installation of fire sprinkler systems, ductwork, chilled and condenser water piping, and electrical distribution systems is critical to a profitable project for each subcontractor on the job. Here we are showing a typical installation as it relates to the building structure with the fire sprinkler system, chilled water piping and components, ductwork, medium pressure to VAV boxes, low pressure systems from VAV boxes, exhaust ductwork, and major pieces of air handling equipment. Space conflicts are a given between building trades. Do you want your tradesmen standing around in the field trying to solve a coordination problem on the job, or do you want it identified prior to construction? An hour or two in the planning process can save 40+ man-hours in the field. Needless to say, additional hours spent on meetings in the field to solve such issues are wasted time. 3D drawing software has been and is still available through numerous companies. The problem is that it can be cumbersome and difficult to implement. Often, it lacks the calculation elements within the software packages such as flow and pressure drop calculations for air, water flow and sprinkler system delivery, which will allow the designer or planner to calculate within the software package without moving outside of the 3D design in front of you. Frequently today, project specifications call for coordinating drawings produced by the mechanical contractor prior to placement of fire sprinkler systems, ductwork, chilled and condenser water piping, and electrical distribution systems. This module's universal collision test will show crossing point collisions between trades. When coordination drawings bring to surface any problems discovered during the planning stage, the design team will often issue a design revision, which generally will result in a change order due to the redesign. We have all been involved in projects where there is never enough space for air ducts, sprinkler mains, plumbing and roof drains, and the electrician's lights. Whether the coordination drawings are required or not for your project, in 9 cases out of 10, for your own sake of profitability, you should be doing these drawings to enhance the ability of your field staff to complete projects with the tools that will let them do it in the most efficient and quickest manner. If you are now sending your crews to the field without any previous internal coordination of the installation, your ship is running without a rudder. The installation is subject to decisions in the field and far too many calls to your project manager as to why it doesn't fit like the drawings show. Lost time in the labor budget will be the ultimate factor, whether you beat the job budget by 25% or you run over 25%. On a project which your cost is $100,000 and your labor with overhead burden is 40% of the project, the above scenario just cost your company $10,000. Add 25% for supervision and overhead expense, and the loss now becomes approximately $12,500. Today in the construction industry, it is in the midst of a recession within the United States and over the world. In having to bid lower margins to get work, you will not have an extra $12,500 in profit. Wow! I spent money out of my own pocket to get this job done? If it does, efficiency is the only way to survive this market and to further prosper in your business. As outlined in the previous examples, the only way to sustain profitability in the competitive market of design build, and construction performance is to perform in an efficient manner with proper coordination. Plan right or spend a lot of time, usually at your own expense, to make the design correct. Expended labor is a major make it or break it on all construction projects and construction design. A mechanical design professional, planner, mechanical contractor, plumbing or sprinkler contractor, presenting a set of drawings that truly indicates the site conditions, is presenting a general contractor or architect realistic and precise overview. You have delivered the tools and information to make their project completed in the most efficient and profitable manner. This is a tremendous marketing tool that will make your organization stand out as the best of the best. CAT Software USA will provide you with intelligent software solutions for the construction industry. Your project is converted into a 3-dimensional model through the basic AutoCAD commands. The space above ceilings or mechanical rooms can now be displayed in layers showing each trade elements in the installation. A 3-dimensional view into the space with the building structural elements is present. CAT software is located in Darmstadt, Germany, developed the software for use in the construction industry in Europe, Asia, and the Far East markets. It has been used successfully for over 20 years. The technology has been tested and perfected and is now available in Canada, Mexico, Central America, South America, the United States, and Caribbean islands. The U.S. version is usable in metric or IP units, a user-defined selection, and is presented in the English language. Visit us at catscadusa.com for more information on our software solutions for the construction industry, which will make your company stand out and become or continue to be the best of the best.